My name is Adam.
I'm Mary Rose.
I'm Regina.
For today's video, we will do an experiment called the fire snake. Guys, any idea about the fire snake? Any opinion? You, man?
It's a snake.
It's a snake. Oh my god.
It's a fire.
It's a fire. And then it's
A
fire snake. Okay. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the materials we have to use in order to do the
Fire snake.
fire snake.
Fire snake.
Fire snake.
We need a bowl,
We need the sand.
a lighter,
A baking soda.
and lastly, we need a white sugar. Before we start the experiment, we need the sun test.
I already have one. That's why I, you know. Guys, we will do the experiment on the ground because the wood is so fragile and
It might leave a stain of fire.
yeah.
So we're going to start our experiment. Going to do it on the ground.
Let's get started. Step 1. Get the beaker or any container with measurement labels on it. Then pour the baking soda in the beaker. After that, it's time to pour the sugar. Step 2. Mix it well. Be gentle. Just like what my partner did on the video. After mixing it gently, let's move to the next step, which is step 3. Pour the sand on the mini bowl. Don't fill it. Leave some space. Syempre, minsan kailangan din ng space. Kung hindi mo maintindihan yun, bigyan mo ng keyboard. Okay ang corny, di ba? Where was I? Leave some space for the baking powder, then flatten the sand to make the surface even. Step 4. It's now time to fuel our bowl. Use only kerosene, which we forgot to mention as a part of our materials. Sorry po guys, sorry po. Ano ba yan? Pati ba naman yan nakalimutan? Akala ko ikaw lang.
Di lang ikaw ang nahi.
Okay, moving on. As I was saying, fill the mini bowl until the sand is absorbed by the kerosene. Step 5. Now put the mixture on the sand. It must be on the center, otherwise it won't work. And the last step would be, just light it up. Okay, wait. Bakit ayaw sumindi? Yan. Ayan! Okay, while waiting for the snake to come out, we will explain why does the snake form. Well, how does the snake form? When sugar burns, it turns into water vapor and carbon dioxide. However, complete combustion requires a good oxygen supply. Other complex processes take place at high temperatures because the flow of oxygen to the inner parts of the pile of sugar is hindered, and that gives us a carbon snake. Take it away, Ate Regina.
Why do we add baking soda to the sugar? Baking soda decomposes when heated to release carbon dioxide. Baking soda is added to bread dough to make it rise. And it is the same for the experiment. The carbon dioxide and water vapor that is given off make the snake light and airy, which allows the snake to grow.
What is this snake made of? The snake consists of mainly carbon that comes from the heated sugar, but which was not burned in the flame. The carbon is what makes the snake black. There is also Na2CO3 in the snake, which results from the decomposition of the baking soda when heated. What chemical reaction occur in the process of formation of the snake? The three main reactions in this process are combustion of sugar, good oxygen supply available to give carbon dioxide and water vapor, thermal decomposition of sugar to give carbon and water vapor, thermal decomposition of baking soda to give sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water vapor.
Okay guys, that's it. I hope you've learned something from us about the experiment we did, and Thank you so much. Any message?
Snake!
Yes, the snake. Bye!
Bye, thank you!
Lapit, bye. 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 Tuloy na tayo na. Bye! 1, 2, 3, go. Bye! Today. Sorry. Bye! Ini-stop mo? Good. Parang stop mo.
Need a bowl?
Inayos! We need the bowl! A baking soda. A baking soda. Baking soda. A baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. We need the sand.
Maramis tayo. Asan? Lagi
Woo!